If you are looking into RV technician or inspector training, you'll quickly see there's a lot of options out there, but they're not all the same. Some programs focus heavily on classroom instruction or online content. At the National RV Training Academy, our foundation is extensive hands-on training. Students will work directly on real RVs, tackling the same problems they'll see in the field: electrical faults, plumbing issues, propane systems, appliances, and diagnosing. It's not just about seeing it once, it's about repetition. Working through common failures again and again, students develop muscle memory, learning how to test, troubleshoot, and think through issues under real conditions. Instead of guessing or swapping parts, the focus is on understanding the systems, using the right tools to find the actual problems. The NRVTA also prepares students for different paths: working at a dealership, maybe going mobile, or focusing on inspections. By teaching how the work really happens, not just how it looks on paper. The goal isn't shortcuts, it's confidence. Confidence and realistic expectations. If you want to understand for yourself, click the link below and learn more about the NRVTA.